Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. That's a hi for my little ones there. They're always supporting me when I'm gonna film something. So as I was saying, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. It's a Sunday today, a very good day. Not all that hot, not all that cold. It's just on a normal weather. So to my returning subscribers, I'm gonna say is thank you for always coming back to my channel. Your comments keep me going. Thank you for your positivity, thank you for your love. So today I'm just gonna walk with you guys, just gonna show you the fields. As you can just see from here, it's time for harvest. We're harvesting our maize. So just want to show you what it looks like. Wow, the harvesting is being done. Let's go. Be in front. Walk fast. So guys, you can see how they've started the harvesting. So I'll reach closer and show you how they put the maize together. Come here, you two. Let's go this side. Just want to reach closer and see how they touch the maize. So as you can see how these maize were being slashed, they're being cut from here, from down. They cut them, then they heap the maize stalks together. This is how they heap them, yeah? They heap the maize stalks together so that to be easy for them to remove the maize than just getting from each of them. So it's much easier when you hit them like this. Then you just start to remove the maize out of the maize stalks. There is some maize, though it didn't rain much this year, but there is maize. There is maize. Yeah. Though this year it wasn't a good year for the rain, so but I'm sure we're gonna get something out of this. Otherwise there is some maize. Yeah. So this is what we do. This is what we do. So the whole place is gonna the whole field is gonna be done the same way like it has been done here, bringing the maize together in one heap. So it's all about different heaps. As you can see, this field is very big, up to that far end there. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time to get finished because it's a very big field. So let's just walk the very far end. So this was the man that was heaping the maize and his kids. Well, the kids are not forced to work. No, it's just a way of living in Africa. Yeah, since us people, we've got different ways of living, yeah? So to others it may look bad, but to us, some of us, it looks normal. So African kids really love to work. They'll just go out, be with their parents, go help them out. Moka bwanje. Taok. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, they've done so much. Yeah. So the kids do help out their parents to do the work, the farm work. You just not farm or at the village. They really, really love to help. Yeah. Those are the two boys that were just helping out their father to work. So all this part has to be the maize has to be heaped as well. There's so much dry maize now, so dry. So the different sections, yeah, the different sections. From that side it was that man with his kids, and here there was someone else heaping the maize as well. That's on the other section. So this is the other part again that has been heaped. And just reach closer to view the maize. I'm sure it's gonna take some days to get done, but I'm sure by tomorrow, since today is Sunday, so I only had 2 people who were doing their work, but tomorrow, Monday, will be there'll be a lot of people who that will be doing the work. There'll be a lot of people since today, Sunday. So a lot of people just going to church, some resting at home. Yeah, but tomorrow it's a working day, whereby a lot of people will be here tomorrow to help out, keep the maize. It won't take a long period of time for it to be heaped like this. It has to remove, because if we let the maize be like this for a long time, it's gonna be eaten by the rats. Yeah? We've not even reached on the middle of the field. Yeah, we're walking. So all of this part, it has to be heaped. All this maize has to be put in heaps so that we can harvest it properly. Time of harvest is the best. It's the best. Harvesting time is the best, believe me. And for the fact that we've got a lot of the farm, the maize can be used for a lot of things. It can be used for the chickens, the village chickens, the broilers that we're keeping. Yeah, because we also have broilers. So our maize won't be just used for meal. It's also gonna be used for the chickens as well. So much. That's why we had to plant so much maize. Let's go, you guys. Let's go. Be in front. Walk in front. Run. What are you scared of? Go. Let's go. Let's go. Walk fast, walk fast. You guys, you're scared of everything. Anytime you're scared of this thing, huh? Oh my god. Some girls, you're scared of insects. Don't be scared. The maize is so dry that it even looks like it's gonna fall off from its stalk. So dry. So dry. I really enjoy farm life. I don't know. Just like I'm a farm girl. I enjoy farm life. It's so nice way, but you have to produce things all by yourselves. Produce maize, produce meat, vegetables. What more of a life would you want from this than just having fresh produce? So they've knocked off now. They've done it. They call it a day. This is what they've done for a day. At least I've made 3 big heaps of maize, and they're gonna come tomorrow. They're gonna come tomorrow again. Let's go, let's go. Hello guys, so this is the other part of the field that I'm showing you today. Today is Monday. Like yesterday I was doing for Sunday. Like I said, on Monday I'm gonna show you the other part of the field and where the others will be working from. I'm not alone, I'm with my manager, the farm manager.
Hi.
We're going to check on the other part that they are working on. These guys are a bit quick, yeah, because this is the other part that they've worked on. Already they've made about 4 heaps of maize that they've stacked. You can see there that guy is doing his work. The field is big. Our field is very big. Oh, this part is a field, yeah. So we have maize. We have maize. There's so much maize, guys, in this field. Like you can see. Even us, it's much better here that we have maize. In other fields, they don't have maize. So we thank God for this bit that He has given us maize. At least we're gonna survive this. Yeah. So this is the other side of the field that I was supposed to show you. Like I promised, I'm gonna show you today, Monday. So this is another heap that I've heaped from here. There's also maize on this other part. So This is the field. This is the whole field. We have to show you guys. So I'm gonna walk to that other side of the field. We've also got our helpers there. They're seated having lunch. So guys, this is the other part of the field, as I'm gonna show you the other part again. As you can see, that far end, it's maize. It all has to be cleared up. We also have neighbors on the other side. These ones are still building. So I have neighbors on the other side. And this grass has to be slashed, so that we can have a clear way. Harvesting time is the best, isn't it?
Very.
It's the best. Harvesting time is the
Best
best.
thing ever in life.
I like harvesting times. Even when you're planting, I like it when you're planting things, then you have hope, you know. Things have to grow, then you have to benefit from the things that you've planted. It's really nice. It's a great experience. Farm life. At first I thought like there's completely no maize.
So there is.
Yeah, there is maize. I thought like there's no maize.
We do have maize,
Yeah.
despite having the shortage of enough rain for distribution here in Lusaka.
Yeah. Well, at least we have something. Thank God for this. So guys, we're going to the other side now. Going to the other side. Like I said, what more are we gonna grow like on the farm?
We're gonna do a lot of vegetables this time around.
Yeah.
We're gonna do different types of vegetables. That's carrot, green beans, rep, and so forth.
All right. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
All right.
I'm looking forward to that. That's what we'll be expecting in a few months' time. We're gonna focus now on the vegetables because the chickens are almost getting done, right?
Yeah, the chickens are almost ready and they're done. Initially, if there's more people that want to buy chickens, please holler and you'll find us. Thank you.
Yeah. So also about to show you the part of the chickens where we're keeping the chickens, the broilers, because we're also keeping guinea fowls and village chickens.
Broilers.
Broilers.
Broilers, we've got broilers, we've got Brahmas, and we've got black astrolopes.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we'll show that later. I'll show you guys later about the type of chickens that our farm manager just mentioned. So we're gonna check on that side. As you can see, it looks clearer than yesterday, which means they've worked more than they did yesterday. So let's just take a walk together so that we can view how they've worked and see how they've worked for today. Yeah, we can just walk in here since it's clear now. There is a difference from yesterday. There is a difference. This man has worked and today is by himself. He didn't come with his kids. Today's by himself. His kids going to school. Should we reach closer there? Should we reach closer there? Alright. This man has worked totally different from yesterday. Otherwise, he's done his best, his level best. So he's stacking them like this. Then after he's stacking them like this, putting down, he's gonna put them now in heaps like this. Just passing through to see how they're working. Because all this part yesterday when I came, all this part had maize, but today everything has been removed. All these hips, the hips here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is it? 2, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hips today. Yesterday we just found about 3 hips of maize. Yeah? So today we'll show you this. So this is how far they've worked from this section. This is other part of the field. So these are the people working on this side of the field. Alright guys, I'm done showing you part of the field or what's happening or how we're harvesting our maize. I'm sure you've learned 1 or 2 things when it comes to harvesting maize. So from me now, all I'm gonna say is bye bye. Until next time, I'll show you around the progress that's going on the farm. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Until next time, it's bye for now.